toasting to our first comedy show. I'm so excited. This is the best breakfast in the United States from Mr. Rogers. $7.90. Look at that. I'm about to smash. We got it on the first take, you guys. Scarf on.
Yeah.
Like you think you feel like you're obligated to see that or hang out with them.
Yeah, I'll like
What are you doing?
Yes.
Where are you working at?
What are you doing? Yes. I agree.
And why are you responding so fast?
That comes from like insecurities.
This was my vision. I look so cute, but these pants are too little. Alexa, pause. So yeah, but these is cute. And then I had these, and then I was gonna wear a bomber jacket, but yeah, we're getting ready to go to the game. So I'll check back in when I find something I'm gonna wear.
I take
Yeah,
thank you.
I'm gonna go on my way. But even she throw it back, I throw this pole, let her like bow. Guess what? Been there, but bad. You guys, it's about 5 o'clock and we're at the game. So I'm just going to take pictures and do small content on my phone. But I look cute. I feel cute. My man look cute. Sexy, handsome. Hello, you guys. Welcome back to my channel. So it's the next day. It's Sunday the 9th. And we just got us some Bath and Body Works. I love my apartment smelling delicious. Thank you so much. Have a good day.
You too.
I love my apartment smelling delicious. So we got some wildflowers, and I'll tell y'all which kind we got as soon as we make it home. We're getting ready to feed the homeless. So I'm so excited to feed the homeless with my friends, and they'll end off the vlog. I said I was gonna do a separate vlog for the game, but I ended up not doing it, so I just included some clips, and now we're heading home to get ready to feed the homeless. This is like probably I don't know what time it is overall, but I know I have fed the homeless at least 8 to 10 times this year. So we're gonna feed them for the remainder of the year every Sunday at 4 o'clock. So yeah, see you guys in a little bit while we feed the homeless. Alright, so we got our old ones. We're about to restock them. This is just gonna be some ASMR. Started a bit, getting our hair done. So I don't know why it took me so long to do Makeup of Esther blush technique or makeup technique, but I'm giving it a 10 out of 10. I feel like my blush is way more popping, more just vivid, and I kind of like it. If anything, I want more pink. Like, I want a little bit more pink under my eyes. But I love the Esther makeup tutorial. I think you should try it out. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And down below, I will link every single thing that I use. Hey y'all, okay, we're back. So we did our makeup. Y'all saw me get my hair done. We went and got us something to eat. I'm full and packed, full ready. We got our tripod setting up, so we're gonna use this as the background. This is a sponsored post. Every time I do a sponsored post, I get nervous. I don't know what it is, but we got an hour and 30 minutes. We're going to the gym at 4:30. All right, let's start. Oh, my camera is about to die, but we're gonna film. Today is November 14th and it's 9 o'clock. We are filming Chasing My Dreams with me. So I just got up, literally, as y'all can tell. I brushed my teeth and we're headed to our hair appointment. So I'll check in at my hair appointment because my camera is about to die. So we'll figure out what we need to figure out with that. But after my hair appointment, we're going to get our nails done.
Có bị lộn cái quạt
It looks so good.
ở dưới cái. Yeah, we can do that. Cái màu đó dưới bay rồi vẽ white tip lên cho bạn. Cái màu đó sơn ở dưới rồi vẽ white tip. Love it.
Yes, it's so warm. Okay guys, so we're going to Dillard's to buy us some shoes. I've already been in here to look at the shoes. I just wanted to make sure that I was going to go through with it, and we're going to go through with it. So I'll show y'all the shoes when we get back in the car. First unboxing, I'm excited. It was so meant for me to get these shoes because she said she just put them out like maybe 15 minutes before I got there. And I'm the type where I shop last minute for my outfit because I know my Holy Father is going to help me. I be dependent on him like, hey, Azalea way? I don't know, but I'm excited. Wanted at one point.
Yes!
Yes. Damn. So fire. So fire. So fire. Okay, so I'm gonna put them on. Exactly the look I was going for. Then I got my nails and my toes done. Guys, she looks so Alright, I hope you guys love my shoes. I got a size 8. They are so sturdy and so easy to walk in. Go to Dillard's right now and get them. The final step, because I just got done doing my makeup. Welcome back to the channel, to the vlog. The grand finale, the product that we're reviewing today is the best setting spray on the market, the Danessa Myers Yummy Skin. Love it. And these lashes, oh, these lashes. I absolutely love them. So we are going to do Delina. I got my nails done. Y'all saw that. We're doing Delina oil. And what I need to do is I need to put my shirt on first and then do this. Oh, it smells so good. Oh, it smells so good. Oh, I'm gonna have to get me some more of that. So cute and so flirty. It will be linked down below. So cute and so flirty. And then I'm gonna obviously put on Gucci Flora. That's like my holy grail. I'm gonna go put my clothes on and I'll be right back. Okay, y'all, we're about to take our shot before we go in. Friend, I could tell you, you can put this in your boot to bring it in.
Got you.
It might fit. Toasting to our first comedy show. I'm so excited. Splash. I'm gonna link it down below.
I already know if I put it in my boot.
I'm gonna put up footage from. I'm gonna pull up footage from from my phone. So the next thing will be just from my phone. I'm gonna vlog on TikTok.
Well, just a photo.
Comedy show. SydTa'bre Theater in Hattiesburg. And I am feeling it. I'm feeling everything. So excited. I look so cute.
Changing everything too, boy. They fucking shit up. What that bullet did to his ass. He dead fuck on the bed. Oh my god, I hate you, stupid ass. Get out my face.
Okay, friend, what do you give the show?
I give it a 10 out of 10.
Yeah.
Back.
Yeah.
So please be coming with the next comedy tour date.